Dear listeners, today I stand before you as a woman who has dedicated her life to medicine sexology and the in-depth study of sexual health, especially in people who have reached maturity. This talk is aimed at men over 50 who are looking to improve their intimate quality of life, and above all, wish to enjoy a fulfilling and healthy sexual life. Today, we will discuss something natural and accessible to all aphrodisiac juices that can help improve erections and in turn enhance satisfaction in your relationships. I know that for many of you, your body no longer responds as it did in your youth. Erections are no longer as firm or long-lasting, and sometimes this can lead to insecurity, worry, or even affect intimacy. But let me tell you something. Nature is wise and offers us many tools to revitalize our bodies. And one of those tools is food, specifically natural juices. I will share with you 10 aphrodisiac juices that not only have the potential to improve erections, but watermelon juice also help maintain overall physical and emotional well-being. Remember, I'm not talking about miracle solutions, but natural supports that, if incorporated regularly, can make a big difference in your sexual life. Watermelon juice. Let's start with watermelon juice. Watermelon contains citrine and amino acid that promotes relaxation of blood vessels, much like some medications Ed used for erectile dysfunction. This improves blood circulation and allows more blood flow to the sensitive areas. A glass of this juice, a day especially in the morning, can improve your performance at night. It's refreshing, light, and full of water, which also keeps your body hydrated. A key factor for good sexual health pomegranate juice. The second juice is pomegranate. Pomegranate is a powerful antioxidant that improves blood circulation by reducing blood pressure. In fact, some studies have shown that drinking pomegranate juice daily for at least 2 weeks significantly improves the quality of erections. I recommend drinking a small glass, preferably in the morning, for better absorption throughout the day. This juice is great for both cardiovascular and sexual health celery, and cucumber juice celery contains androsterone, a hormone that stimulates sexual desire, while cucumber helps keep the body hydrated, aided together. They make a green juice that is not only refreshing, but also acts as a natural sexual tonic. This juice can be consumed 2 or 3 times a week, as it not only improves circulation but also promotes relaxation and reduces stress essential factors for more enjoyable intimacy. Ginger and lemon juice. Ginger is known for its stimulating properties, increasing blood circulation to orogeny areas, combined with lemon, which is rich in vitamin C and improves physical endurance. This juice is an energy booster for your sexual life. I recommend banana almond. Milk juice, drinking it before a special date or romantic night. Just 1 cup is enough, and you will feel how the heat from the ginger prepares you for a more intense night banana. And almond milk juice. Bananas are rich in potassium, which improves circulation, and almond milk provides a healthy dose of essential fatty acids, vital for hormone production. This juice is perfect for those who want an energy and libido boost. You can drink strawberry grape juice it daily, especially as part of your breakfast, to start the day with energy and vitality. Strawberry and grape juice. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, and grapes contain resveratrol, a substance that improves the elasticity of blood vessels together. They form a delicious juice that not only improves blood flow, but also helps maintain skin and heart health. Both key factors for overall well-being. I suggest drinking this juice 3 times a week, always with meals to maximize its effects. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is a fantastic source of nitric oxide, which is essential for dilating blood vessels and allowing more blood to flow to the genital area. Several studies have proven that beetroot juice is effective in improving endurance and the quality of erections. This juice is a bit strong. So maca juice, I recommend starting with half a cup, preferably in the afternoon, and increasing the amount based on how you feel. Maca juice. Maca is a root native to the Andes, used for centuries as a natural aphrodisiac. This juice is ideal for boosting libido and sexual energy. MAA also has the added benefit of improving sperm production and hormonal balance in men. 1 glass a day is enough to feel pineapple. Honey juice, its long-term effects. You can consume it in powder form and mix it with your favorite juice pineapple. And honey juice. Pineapple is rich in Brahmin, an enzyme that increases testosterone levels and improves the quality of erections combined with honey, a natural energizer. This juice is perfect for those times when you need an extra boost. I suggest drinking it before special night, or even as a small snack before intimacy. Before I say goodbye, I must mention an honourable mention, a juice that, although not in the main list, deserves a special place for its powerful aphrodisiac properties. Barjo juice. Bijo is a tropical fruit known as a true natural energy booster for sexual vitality. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, this fruit is famous for increasing testosterone levels, improving blood circulation, and providing an overall feeling of vitality. Barjo juice can be consumed 2 or 3 times a week to improve resistance and sexual desire. It's also an excellent source of energy, so it will help you feel more active and motivated, whether mixed with water or BJO other juices. BJO has earned its reputation as a natural and effective solution for revitalizing your intimate life. If you're looking for an extra in your aphrodisiac juice repertoire, don't forget to try BJO. It'll give you that additional boost you need to fully enjoy your intimate moments. Cocoa and owl's juice. Finally, we have cocoa, which is rich in theobromine, a substance that stimulates the nerves and improves mood. Cocoa combined with almonds, a rich source of zinc and magnesium. It helps maintain hormonal balance. This juice is perfect for drinking as a hot beverage in the evenings, creating a relaxed atmosphere full of intimacy. As I conclude this talk, I want to leave you with a final thought. Sexual health is not just about physical vitality. It is deeply connected to our overall well-being, both emotional and mental. It's an essential part of living. Conclusion: a fulfilling, balanced life. Thankfully, nature offers us a wealth of tools, foods, herbs, and simple lifestyle choices that can help us nourish and protect this vital aspect of ourselves. In our journey through aging, it's easy to overlook the importance of maintaining a strong and vibrant sexual health. But just like any other part of our body, it needs attention, care, and support. By embracing natural remedies and incorporating them into our daily lives, we can empower ourselves to experience intimacy, pleasure, and connection in new and meaningful ways. No matter our age, if this talk resonated with you, I invite you to become part of our community. Subscribe to our channel-wise Aging, Sexuality and Health, where we share valuable insights, tips and tools to support you on your journey of health and intimacy. Together, we can continue learning, growing and living fully. Stay tuned for more content that will inspire you to nurture your body, your mind, and your relationships. Remember, the best is yet to come. And by investing in your sexual and emotional well-being, you're ensuring that every chapter of your life can be filled with vitality and connection. See you soon, and take good care of yourselves.